When you hear this sound, turn the page. When you hear this sound, the book is over.
Poor Puppy. Nick Bruhl, author of Bad Kitty. Puppy's best friend is Kitty. But Puppy is sad. Kitty doesn't want to play with him today. Poor Puppy. Poor Puppy. Poor Puppy. Instead of Kitty, the only things Puppy has to play with are 1 airplane, 2 balls, 3 cars, 4 dolls, 5 electric trains, 6 finger puppets, 7 glow sticks, 8 hula hoops, 9 instruments, 10 jacks, 11 kites, 12 liters of finger paints, 13 marbles, 14 nutcrackers, 15 old cat toys he found under the sofa, 16 pinwheels, 17 queens, kings, knights, bishops, castles, and pawns, 18 robots, 19 soccer balls, 20 teddy bears, 21 ukuleles, 22 valentines, 23 wind-up toys, 24 boxes of crayons, 25 yo-yos, and 26 zoo animals. That was really fun, but Puppy really wanted to play with Kitty. Poor Puppy. Now he's so tired he has to take a nap. Poor Puppy. When Puppy naps, he dreams. What do you think he dreams about? He dreams about playing with Kitty, of course. They play apple bobbing in Antarctica, baseball in Brazil, checkers in Canada, dodgeball in Denmark, egg hunting on Easter Island, football in France, golf in Greece, hopscotch in Hawaii, ice hockey in India, jump rope in Japan, kick the can in Kenya, limbo in London, musical chairs in Mexico, netball in the Netherlands, Old Main in Oman, patty cake in Peru, quoits in Qatar, rugby in Rome, sprinting in Spain, tag in Turkey, unicycling in Uganda, volleyball in Vietnam, wrestling in Washington, D.C., boxing in Xi'an, yodeling in Yemen, yodel-hee-hoo. In Zimbabwe, they run zigzags with a zebra, a zebu, and a zorilla until Puppy wakes up. What a great dream. Now Puppy is so happy he wants to play. And so does Kitty. Hooray!